Just wash the truck. Estimates tomorrow. You want to look sharp for clients, but more importantly than even washing the truck is organization. Being organized. You spend less time looking for tools, more time working. You know where parts are, you know where the tools are. Everything has its place. This is called the Bott Smartvan system, and it is it's a racking system for vans. They also make partitions. If you look on the back, there's shelving back there and racks and things that you can hang on. And it's a really nice way to stay organized. And then if you really want to go crazy, put a racking system on your side door. Vacuum, miter saw, table saw, a bunch of drops, which is messy, and bars and stuff that are tough to kind of keep track of. And that needs to be tucked in. I'll tuck that back in. Everything in its place. So think about that the next time you get into your truck or van and it's a mess. Take the time to organize. Battery chargers. Batteries go here. They're in toolboxes right now. They're actually in this box. This is my warm box. I keep battery and caulking and glues warm. There's an oil pan heater in the bottom underneath a ceramic tile. I've done a video on this. This plugs into, it runs over to here and it plugs into this shoreline that I plug in every night to A, charge the batteries, and B, keep everything warm in that warm box. So anyway, make organization an investment, guys. Clients see this and they get impressed, trust me.